Here come the hot sniper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Big up the crew in the area. Still love it like that. No, we don't die.
So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a nice video for you. I'll be going to the Hope Gardens with my little brother. Say hi, Jake.
Hi.
Alright, so a long time ago, about 12 years ago. About 12 years now ago, and I say I'm gonna just do it today. Carry Jay along and carry you guys along as well. Alright guys, so today I'll be doing something special. I'm going to the Hope Zoo. It's been a while, it's been about 12 years since I last did this, and I said it would be a good idea to take my little brother. Jay, say hi.
Hi.
To take my little brother and I'll be carrying you guys along. Jay, yes, you're good? Yeah, give me a hand. We finally reached Jay. You tired? No? We finally reached, like, the police them. Give me a hand. The police them make the drive long.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of
While JRS and I drinking juice, we just show you where the entrance. Let me just show you what they look like. Like this place stretch for scores, if not hundreds of acres. So we don't have a can cover everywhere. We don't have a can cover everywhere, especially because we are parents. So all him eager for do.
running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf. Oh, and they come on star. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the river.
Oh, it's a picnic.
Taken away to the dark
I'm
side.
gonna do a picnic.
Hold that side. Yeah, put it down. Go for the bag, go for my bag.
And
Alright. I say go for my bag. So you want the cold water in this. Hold on to this. Let me get the bag. Don't want the bag to blow away. So out here, me and Jay. Yo, I have to say this place is so big. Like, I can't really explore everything now because I mean Jay. Hey boy, what you do? But him there in the bag of walking and think I'm only excited to go see the animals. So and next time I have to come here, come really explore the place. It's really big and it's very beautiful. If you're a subscriber, sure that you hit the notification button so the next time I post a video you'll be able to get it. And if you're new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe. Okay? Then I go.
I can do it for you.
No, you can't do it.
Bursting through.
You kidding me? This is off the charts again!
Brilliant!
Hey! Jay, you lick me with it. Come. No! Hey boy! Hey boy, you saw your head big. Don't hit it. Not tell us that hot. Hey boy! Hey, don't! Yo, don't lick me with that, you know. Yo, that hot, you know, man. Yo, Tom T. Yo! Yo! Big man, you tell us the thing hot, man.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？階段、雷縛り。何やっと。現実か現実か。
Yo, it's like this whole ramping thing was a wrong idea, cause this man not tired. You not tired? You not tired? You want to hold it? You want vlog? Alright, you hold it. What you want to say to them? What you say to them?
Me and my bed is up here.
Yeah, hold it out. Yeah.
And you know, you 2 days we coming back.
Yeah, tell them that we're going to look for the animals.
And we're going to look for the animals and go on the big water slide and have some fun.
Yeah.
We're going to garden and get some flowers. You know, tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll get the
Amen.
flowers. Amen. You can't spend 5 minutes with Jay without him showing the muscles. Come again, the muscles again. Yeah. Hold it and let us close it up. Mind your drop. So Jay, we finally reached the zoo area. Them have none there, Jay. Come close. We're going to see the crocodile first. Big crocodile in here, so we're going to see the big crocodile first. You want to excited to see the crocodile? You don't see him? Let's go around this side. See him here, Jim? He's hiding under. He's hiding under there. You see him? Yeah, you see him now, Jim? No, it's not hiding. It's the biggest bird in the world. You see that pretty black one? They can't fly. Go on, we can have a seat here and drink some water.
thing.
Yeah, with the baby in it.
Yeah.
No, he can't eat the turtles because he's a baby, so he can't eat them because he's too small. You see? Oh, if this one can't eat them either because these turtles are bigger. So then put this one with the bigger turtle, so it's still a baby.
Bro, what I'm doing?
The flamingos. So them pretty?
Yeah, who's saying hello? Dun, dun, dun. No, Daddy, they're cool. Cool.
Yeah, mine fall down. You tired? The high tower, if them can see everywhere. So if them go up there, them can see everywhere.
The animal.
All the animals everywhere. Whoa, you fast. Because you're not supposed to.
Why you bite me? Why am I on?
Yeah, so that's the bobcat, Jay. You see him? It's just sleeping. So you want to go back up to Lucas now? Don't run up. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
I can do it again.
Eh? He's just chilling. That's Lucas. Say hi, Lucas.
Was any hurting him? No, something is catching him.
Look on the size of him, like look on my hand. The dares.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to
Look on the size of the teeth. Jay. Jay. Yeah, man, give me a yard.
Daddy, what he doing? Wow, so
Give me a roar now, Lucas.
I'm so eating pity.
Lucas, give me a roar now.
Ryan. Wow, look. Wow, Ryan. Oh, but Ryan, let me touch you.
No. Jay, look at this. Oh, him just there yawn. Jay, for real, so she come out too?
It's a tiger.
No, it's a lion. Jay, you're so big. Jay.
Come this way, come.
Jay, she's pretty though.
No, no,
Jay, look at her size. Don't climb up, come down, my hair.
What can you do?
Jay. Yeah, so I have about 30 seconds of recording left. Thank you guys so much for the support, for the continued support that you've been giving me. Thank you for supporting this video, and I'll see you in the next one.